Tonight, the U.S. Supreme Court announced it is preserving access to a drug used in the most common method of abortion. It is a rejection of a lower court's restrictions on access to mifepristone, while a lawsuit over its FDA approval makes its way through the courts. So let's take a quick look back at how we got here. 2 weeks ago today, on April 7th, a federal Texas judge agreed to halt the FDA's 23-year approval of the drug. On April 13th, President Biden and the drug's manufacturer took that dispute to an appeals court, which gave an emergency order to reinstate the approval. That brings us to tonight, when the Supreme Court issued its order that, yes, mifepristone will still be available, while the challenge against its approval is ongoing. Pulse Iowa, a local anti-abortion group, says the Supreme Court's decision tonight is disappointing.
We're disappointed, however, that in the meantime, women are going to continue to be harmed by this dangerous abortion drug. And of course, innocent lives will be lost due to its continued use.
Still, DeWitt is hopeful that the overall case will turn out in their favor. She also says Pulse Life advocates continue to work closely with Iowa Attorney General Brenna Bird to limit avenues for abortion in the state. Local 5 spoke with a legal expert tonight on what this new order from the Supreme Court will mean for Iowans.
It's as if nothing has happened with mifepristone. It's the same as it's been all along. So Iowans can feel fine. Abortion is safe and legal in Iowa, and medication abortion is available as it has been.
Frank also says it may take up to 1.5 years to see the final result in this legal battle. President Biden released a statement on the court's decision saying it was the right call and that the lower court's attempt to block access to mifepristone would have, quote, undermined the FDA's medical judgment and put women's health at risk. The Justice Department says that since mifepristone's approval, more than 5 million women have safely used the drug. Now, the outcome of this case will have a big impact on Iowans given how common medication abortions are. The CDC reports mifepristone is used in more than half of U.S. abortions.